Hi there, welcome to 110 Aussie Scale Tales. It's another diecast video, and today it's Matchbox Best of Germany Mix 1. To kick off the collection of 6 cars, it's the 2019 Audi TT RS Coupe. Looking very nice in its striking red paint job. Detail in the front is very good. You can see the grille quite clearly there. Headlights, you turn it around. Also got the red orange tail lights, and clearly we can see the Audi logos. Car looks really nice. Very colourful packaging, and the car parked in front of the Brandenburg gate there, looking very nice. So that's the 2019 Audi TT RS Coupe. Next up, it's a Porsche Cayenne Turbo, jet black, blacked out windows. Looks like it's got the same wheels as the Audi. Nice detail with the lights there at the front, and again the red at the rear. You can just see the Porsche logo on the rear. Very nice. Graphite grey base plate, again looking very nice on the same packaging. Nice little model. Next up, it's the second Porsche in the collection, and my favourite out of the 6. It's the 1985 Porsche 911 Rally. Bronzy gold colour. A nice orange and yellow and white stripe on both sides. Number 85, Matchbox. Turn to the front. No detail for headlights. And no detail at the rear for tail lights. No logos. Again, on the roof we have what looks like a tyre and a petrol can or gas can. Again, it's just painted the same colour as the main body of the car. Underneath, it's a black base plate, white wheels. Yeah, nice model. Certainly my favourite out of this 6. Next up, it's a 1962 Volkswagen Beetle. Now, there was a red orangey one in mix 2. This is blue one, very nice blue. Nice little chrome hubcaps on the wheels. Detail with the headlights, and the chrome bumper. Number plate on the rear, and the red and orange tail lights. Again, very strange hitch on the back of the Beetle. Silver grey base plate. Looking very nice. I have to say it's a nice model, probably nicer than the orangey red one in mix 2. Next up, it's a Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe. Graphite grey, almost black, metallic. Nice detail on the front of the grille there. Again, the lights, you can clearly see the logo there on a graphite plastic base plate. Yeah, nice model. And last one of the collection is a Volkswagen EV4. Well, an electric vehicle had to make the collection, I guess, and they chose this very odd looking car. Not really a fan of these cars in real life, but I have to say it's not a bad model. Very nice metallic blue colour with the darker graphite around the base of the car, and then silver flashes down the side through the A, B and C pillar. Nice detail at the front, and again at the rear. So that's the Volkswagen EV4. The Mercedes GLE Coupe, the 1962 Volkswagen Beetle, my favourite, the 1985 Porsche 911 Rally, the Porsche Cayenne Turbo, and the Audi TT RS Coupe. And together that's Matchbox Best of Germany Mix 1.